Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first just open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to advanced features. Now from here just tap on one-handed mode. So just tap here to enable it and it's done. Now here you can find two options of one-handed mode. One is gesture and another is button. You can choose any option as you want. Suppose if I select gesture from here, now to enable one-handed mode, you have to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So just do it and that's it. You can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable one-handed mode, just tap anywhere of blank space and it's turned off successfully. On the other hand, if I select button, now to enable one-handed mode, you have to just double tap on the home button and you can see it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can enable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.